interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Collin, Denton, Tarrant, and Dallas counties until 9:45. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line moving from west to east across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Intense lightning, gusty winds, small hail, and torrential rains are moving through the Dallas-Fort Worth area at this time. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued for portions of Tarrant, Dallas, Collin, and Denton counties, and radar is indicating a possible tornado circulation near Grand Prairie. This has been upgraded to a tornado warning for Dallas and Tarrant counties. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is detected on radar near Grand Prairie, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Denton and Collin County remain under new severe thunderstorm warnings, and now a tornado warning has been issued for eastern Tarrant County and western Dallas County until 9:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.